This is a short video to show you how to add automations onto your board. You will first need to set up your board if you haven't done so already. When you're ready to add your automations, click View Automations. Ensure that the board level tab is selected to create your new automation. You can choose whether you'd like the automation to be triggerable only by you or by any collaborator you have on the board. If you have a collaborator whose actions you would like to trigger the automation, you should choose the second option, then select the trigger. You can choose to create an automation when a client profile is created on the board or when a client profile status has changed. Choose your board that you'd like this automation to apply to, and if you've chosen status change, choose the status. Next, choose the action that you would like to occur. You can create a note, create a checklist, create an activity, send an email to your client, send an email to a referrer, or you can reassign a client profile to another person on your team. Let's choose Create Activity. Schedule the time that you would like the activity to be due, immediately or a number of days after it's been created, and the time. You can also choose the collaborator on the board that you'd like the activity to be assigned to. Add the text for the activity and click Save. The automation will automatically be added into the list below. You can click the toggle to disable the automation if you would like to turn it off and click again to re-enable it. You can also edit the automation by clicking Edit or delete the automation by clicking the red garbage can. With Expert Pro, you can create as many automations as you'd like on your board. That's how you add automations to your board and Filogix Expert Pro.